So this is a painting I made of a cardinal using the male genitalia. There's lots of them hidden in there. Can you tell how many? If you think you can count them all, write the number in the comment section. But I'm a huge fan of pop art, repetition, shapes, and this one has a little bit of everything in here. And write down if you can see any other shapes in here or figures in here, because there are other things in here besides the cardinals. Well, the one cardinal and the male genitalia. There's a lot of stuff hidden in there. What do you think it is? This one I did in 2022.